We've been developing this light for the last 3 years, testing it, cramming all kinds of technology into it, and we're finally ready to bring this badass light to the market. This is going to be our Adapt XE LED light made specifically for the Moto market. This is going to be the most functional and best looking light on the market that riders have available to them. What makes this the most advanced LED light on the market for Moto is the 3 different lighting zones that it has available to it, along with our adaptive technology. That adaptive technology allows the light to change its own beam pattern based on the speed that you're traveling. As you're at a slower speed, around 5 miles an hour, it's going to be giving you all of the light right out of the scene, so you're just going to be able to see the couple of feet in front of you. Slowly, as you speed up to about 45 miles an hour, it's going to transfer through the drive lights and then to the spot so you can see further ahead. A 3-position switch for on the handlebar, which now includes you can turn the light either all on or you can turn it on in the adaptive mode. Right off the bat, we really wanted to come up with a system for Moto guys that would be an all-encompassing, universal kit that would come with everything that you need to ride in a race. Everything that's going to come with the kit, it's going to be the LED light, it's going to be the number plate, the full universal bracket kit, a wire harness, a 3-position switch for on the handlebar, and then every single one of these lights is going to come also with an amber cover. So this light is going to have our active power management system. It's only going to draw as much power as it has available to it, whether it's through the stator or an additional battery on the bike. Rigid is the only LED lighting company with this technology. We've developed it and perfected it. All of this is going to be manufactured right here in the USA.